prepare yourself of what you're about to see. So this is how exactly I walked through this house. Day one. Oh, there it is.
Indestructible.
The old Nokia. Everyone, this is like the Toyota Corolla of phones, man. It's not often you find money, but today I found money. I got $1. It was the lucky dollar from probably the first dollar she made when she opened her barbershop. That's kind of cool. I'm beginning to think that this is going to be a 3 dumpster house. Saul, you sure you don't want this cake mold? This is Saul thought he found a cake mold. I don't know, maybe this. Look at that beauty.
Full of honey, man. You're not gonna take it?
No, I gotta take it from the trash can. No breaks today, so you gotta go. She got Saul. It's a leg.
Silicona. This original.
The original leg?
Yeah.
Not the original leg.
No.
It's a new original. Oh, well, yeah, that's that one. You got the foot on it? And the,
Wow.
and the shoe.
Expensive.
Look at that.
It's new.
I can try it.
I don't want you to try it. People still collect plates, don't they? I don't know. There's got to be a grandma somewhere that has plates on her wall, and she still has some spots left. She's on my Gazelle. Going down.
Fidelity, man.
Oh, it's a little where the genie is, huh?
What is?
That is a horoscope computer.
The game?
If the game malfunctions, just put in a new battery.
There you go. You want country music?
Here's where the money is.
Get another one.
It's teeth. Wow, Simpsons. I think I owned this at one point. It's part of my Handyman Club kit. Handyman Club of America. Got the belt loop, everything. So when you go to work, all you need is your square and a pencil, apparently. And that's it. That is it. Sign me up. Isn't there a light in here? There we go. The old suitcase. Old newspapers.
Check this out. See the date?
63.
Wow.
4th of July. Wow.
76.
Oh, wow. Check that out.
63. The very next day. Or the same day.
This is all Kennedy stuff.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Oh, cool. I mean, probably not. This is the crazy room. If there was a non-crazy room, I don't know, but there's a trash bag in the other room. I'll grab, and we can just throw all that stuff.
Hey, how about me, man? Okay. That's pretty cool.
Hulk Hogan. I mean, as far as wrestlers go, I had myself a Hulk Hogan.
85. Remove this.
Hey, pull that.
Wow. That's pretty evil.
There's some 13-year-old kid that would love to have this knife. 13-year-old me would probably go buy that knife.
Badass knife.
Alright. This is gonna be fun. I don't know, what are you saying? Your size? There's some sweet jean shorts. One of these keys will open that damn cabinet. Jeez, yeah. Why do you need this many keys? Nobody needs to unlock this many doors. All right, let's see this thing. Oh.
Stay away from that.
Some people still tan, ironically enough. Tan and booth.
These fucking shit.
Fake gun. Made of metal though. And then this. How would you like some old condoms? 4-inch. Wow. That can heat. Skin tight, baby. Yeah. Summer fit. the summer fit. Where's the winter fit? Oh, this is it. Trying to widen this driveway a little bit. Just clean up the front, widen the sidewalk. And man, that's so end of day 3. I'm getting ready to pack up. Now someone can actually see how large the yard is. So this is day 4 and 4 hours, I guess, 4.5. Because I just came over to get all the remaining items out of the house and my all the ivy's gone for the most part in front of the house. I wouldn't say it's landscape, but it's cleaned up. Hey, how's it going, guys? I just wanted to stop by this property. It's been about 3 weeks since I have been here, and I did find a buyer. And once I settle on the property, I'm gonna go over how I found a buyer, compare side by side my 2 HUDs. Within the next 5 to 6 days, I would have closed on this property and I can wrap up this deal. I'm sitting outside the closing office. It's about 5 of 11. I'm getting ready to go in and close. All right, let's do this. So what's up? I just got out of closing. It took about 25 minutes. I have my check, which doesn't exactly tell the whole story because of course it doesn't have some of the numbers. So I hope you enjoyed the video and spending a couple days working with me. Let's go to do an overview of both HUDs. I purchased that property for $52,000. And after closing, I walked away paying total $65,534.91. My total out of pocket that I brought to closing was $13. On the first HUD, there's a repair escrow. I mainly just got that as a little bit of insurance just in case things didn't go exactly as the way I planned it. In this particular case, I didn't need any of the escrow. So my actual payoff for this property was $56,841.66. After commissions and fees, I got a check for $21,417.06. Now that doesn't tell the full story, so I'll break that down a little bit. Of course, I had to put out some money for 2 dumpsters. They were $1,000, $500 a piece. And I paid my guys $2,000 for the labor. At the time of making this video, I sold about $600 worth of items that were in the house. I currently have about $600 more listed for sale, but I won't include that in the profit because at the moment I haven't sold it, but I've sold about 600. So accounting for the $3,000 that I paid out and the $600 that I've sold, my total profit to date for this property is $19,017.16. Well, that just about wraps it up for me. Hope to see you next time. Thanks very much, guys. Take care.